welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use printable stickers in your GoodNotes planner. You can also do this on Notability or whatever is it that you're using for planning. This is for my next week. This kit is called Love Spell. I'll link down below if you're interested in this one. But after watching Sabrina, this was actually perfect. Look at that. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do this. When you buy your printable stickers, they will come either in a PNG format or in a JPEG format. It's better if they are in PNG because the background is going to be transparent and it's going to be so much easier. You don't have to be as precise when you're cropping your stickers, but if you just have the JPEG image, you can use that as well. I actually got this Sabrina kit from Love to Plan 92. I'll also link this below if you're interested, but this is just so much fun, as you can see. And I'm gonna show you. You download your images, you can save them wherever you want. You can do this in your camera roll. I like to save them in my iCloud drive because I have my weekly kits. These are all of my the stores that I like to get my stickers from. So this one is the Sabrina. And then I use a folder where I save all my full kit, as you can see. And what I like to do is just go into GoodNotes. You can do this so that you can see both your folder and your planner stuff. So you go into GoodNotes and you just grab and hold and you drag it. And then you have to make sure that it's right here in the little image icon. You tap and you tap in crop in the rectangle. Make sure that this little rectangle here is selected. And then you just choose the sticker that you want to use. You crop that. Done. And you have your individual stickers. It's actually easier to get my Apple Pencil. Just want to zoom in and resize that. And that's how you get all of your stickers like this. What I like to do is crop everything and then save it. So for example, let me see. This one is the Supernatural little stickers. I did that with all of the stickers that I wanted to use. You don't have to crop every single sticker, just the one that you are 100% sure that you want to use so that you don't have to spend a lot of time just, you know, cropping things. And then I save them in individual folders. So these are my full boxes. And I just save them here. So when I'm planning, I can just grab them and paste them right into my planner. And I will just resize them and paste them wherever I want. The great thing about this is that you can reuse these as much as you want. You can do this in your weekly planner. You can also use this in your monthlies, dailies, anywhere you want. You can reuse all of these, obviously. And you can also print them out and also use them in your regular planners. I have this little thing that I made. And I also print my stickers, so I can use them both ways. And you don't have to spend extra money. So that's how I like to use them. I think that's the easiest and fastest way to crop them all. Again, for example, there's this paper crown planner. This store actually comes with the PNG images. Let me see if I have some cropped. These ones are already cropped. And you get your full kit. And the way that you do this is you can just tap here in this little icon and it will give you the information right here on top, and you can see this is a PNG image. And what that means is that when you drag that into your GoodNotes app and you want to crop them, the background is transparent, so you can just crop. You don't have to be precise about it, but if you have something written or other stickers underneath, let me just show you. See, you can see through there because it is actually transparent, and it's just easier because you don't have to be as precise when you're cropping, so it just makes things a little bit easier. But if you, or if that store doesn't carry the PNG images, it's okay. You can still crop them and use them. And then you just have to position them however you want and make your layout however you wish to do. The way that you store them and the way that you crop them is your own personal preference. But again, I just found out this is like the easiest way for me to do it. So thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy and you find this useful if you're getting started on this, or if you wanted to just see how other people do it, if there's like an easier way. I think this is the fastest way to do it. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.